Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B SEO leads, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with LinkedIn Campaign Manager, start by visiting the LinkedIn website. Log in to your LinkedIn account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Join Now button. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions page. Click on the Campaign Manager link, typically found at the top right of the page. You will be directed to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Here, select Create Account if you're a new user. Fill in your business name and LinkedIn page, if applicable. If you don't have a LinkedIn page, you can create one during the setup process. Next, select your preferred advertising currency and time zone. Click Create to set up your Campaign Manager account. Once the account is created, you will be taken to the Campaign Manager interface. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which displays campaign performance metrics. From here, you can start creating campaigns. Click on the Create Campaign button to begin the process. Choose your campaign objective based on your goals for B2B SEO leads. The options may include brand awareness, website visits, or lead generation. Next, define your target audience by selecting location, company, industry, and job title. You can further refine your audience using LinkedIn's targeting options. Set a budget and schedule for your campaign. Decide on whether you want a daily or lifetime budget. Once your settings are configured, proceed to create your ad format. Choose between image ads, video ads, or carousel ads to best showcase your offering. Upload your creative assets, ensuring they meet LinkedIn's ad specifications. Craft compelling ad copy that clearly communicates your value proposition. Preview your ad to ensure it aligns with your vision and resonates with your audience. After finalizing your ad, click Launch Campaign to make it live. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the Campaign Manager dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.